Hello everyone, today I am having a dynamic personality from Vasantdada Patil's Pratisthan, Manohar Phalke College of Architecture, and who is a principal of this college, Mr. Surendra Rane sir. Hello sir, how are you?
I am fine.
And now we are going to start our interview. And first question to you is, why do you like to be in a educational sector rather than any other sectors?
See, basically, it is a good feeling when the students who have been guided by you or guided by an institute do good job in the field of architecture. They go do something good in maybe a job or maybe practically wherever they are working.
Very nice, sir. So, like when your student is going in a good position in upcoming time. So you like to be
Right,
in
right,
education sector. Very nice, sir.
right.
Very nice. And next question to you is, what are your thoughts about the education system of India?
See, basically in India, we have more of rote learning. It should be more of practical oriented things, especially in higher education, like and specialized fields like engineering and architecture, where a practical training will help you out in your field, and it will always give you a better opportunity than just by rote learning.
Okay, so you think the education system should be changed to more practically rather than only theoretically, right, sir?
Right, right, right.
And what about your thoughts about what is your thoughts about this mark-oriented education system of India, or what do you think? Is it just mark and exam-oriented, or not?
See, basically, what happens is students are more into getting a good mark, getting good percentage. That is not going to help you out in your long life. Because once you come into practice, like in architecture, no one asks you how much percentage did you receive. They are not asking you whether you got first class, you got distinction or what, or you passed second class. They are more into what exactly are you going to give them in terms of whatever their requirements are,
Hmm.
whether the job which is being done is good or bad.
So the practical knowledge is more important for
More important than rote learning.
yeah, exactly, sir, exactly. And next question to you is, sir, what next question to you is what is the best part of your institute which is different from another institutes?
See, the Trust Vasantdada Patil Pratishtan's education complex is spread over 7.5 acres in Sion, Mumbai. Now it's in the central Mumbai, it's in the heart of the city. The trust is running an engineering college from 1990. The trust has started imparting education in the field of architecture, applied art, fine art, and interior designing, BWalk, along with engineering. And also, we are starting law college from this year.
Very nice. So, in Vasantdada Patil's Pratisthan, Manohar Phalke College of Architecture, is there any practical oriented work in architecture field, or is there any different thing from another institutes?
See, the practical thing is that is basic learning is being done. That is theoretical part and all that. But we try to impart more of practically oriented knowledge by the help of faculties who are practically oriented, who have worked in the field. So we try to give them that knowledge.
Yeah. Very nice, very nice. And next question to you is, what are your thoughts about education youth of the country, India?
See, the youth of the country is quite intelligent, but they have to work towards innovative and inclusive growth and gain as much knowledge as possible during the education so that it helps them in their afterlife. That is when they are practically working somewhere or they are working with someone.
Yeah, exactly. So youth should be like career oriented is most
Career oriented, they should have more of, they should try to gain as much knowledge as possible from the faculties as well as, see, during learning, you don't have anything else other than just learning.
yeah.
everything else is been done by your parents. So you don't have any what you call it, overheads on your head.
Hmm.
But once you start working, the amount of knowledge which you have gained during that time is going to help you out.
Yeah, sir. Very nice and exact question, exact answer. And next question to you is, what is your definition of hard work? How do you describe the hard work?
See, definition of hard work with relation to professional courses like architecture is don't see the time. If any work has to be done, do it without wasting time and keep to the timeline. As market is crowded, and you can't if you can't deliver the goods, that is the work in time, you lose out because there are people. If a client is asking you to design and give some inputs within a day, you have to try to do abide by that. You cannot tell him, okay, no, I'm busy, I have got some work in the house, I have to go out with my parents, or I have to go out with my girlfriend or boyfriend or whatever. Try to deliver in time.
Yeah, exactly. So no excuse should be there in a working atmosphere.
Yes, you have, see, do your extracurricular activities. There is no issues about it. We are also having some extracurricular activities in the college itself, but that doesn't stop you from working. Do the work part of it along with your extracurricular activities. Don't have two different time zones. See, I will do only extracurricular activities during these 2 days. I'll do only studies during these 2 days.
Mm.
So have whatever is there, mix and match, and try to deliver the goods, which will help you in the long run, help you in your life.
Yeah, sir. So there should be no any timelines for work. Right? There should be first priority to the work.
Yes, yes, yes.
Very nice, sir. And as you have told that your institute is also doing some extracurriculum activities. So can you tell us about some extracurriculum activities done by your institute?
See, what we do is we have extracurricular activities. We have workshops like model making with clay, paper mache, bamboo sticks. Also, hands-on work with brick. We try to for construction.
Yeah.
That is whatever they are learning in the college. We try to do practically. We make the students work on hands. That is using of bricks, handling of bricks, and whatever construction material is there, so that they are hands-on ready. And we have fest of the students. Then we have seminars on various subjects, and we call people from the field of various things. Like last year, we had some people coming in. We had an actor and the director who came and spoke about the different types of theaters. What is the aspects of theater? Because they had something to do with theaters in the college, so we try to give them that knowledge. Then we had people coming in from the field of architecture and interiors who come and give some lectures about what are the trends in the market going on and how to streamline the work which is given to you, how to streamline the different aspects of that work.
Yeah, very nice, sir. So I think Manohar Vasantdada Patil Pratishthan, Manohar Phalke College is doing very good work in also in extracurriculum activities. And
Yes, yes.
this was the last question from my side. And thank you so much, sir, for being a part of this program, Thoughts on Education.